Chapter 1: Computer Fundamentals. Children, all of you must have seen the music system in your house. Most of you would love to listen to your favorite songs on it. There are many parts in your music system like its screen, speakers, etc., which you can touch and see. These are called hardware. But there is something more in your music system that cannot be seen or touched, but is needed to play music. This is called software. Similarly, a computer system has two basic parts, hardware and software. The physical parts of a computer which you can touch and see are called hardware. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, etc. are some of the hardware devices of a computer. They are attached to the CPU by cables. Some parts of the hardware are present inside the CPU box. You can see them only when you open the CPU box. Software is that part of a computer which cannot be seen or touched. However, to make the hardware work, the software is the most needed. Let's study more about computer hardware and software in detail in this chapter. Hardware. Hardware of a computer is classified into three types: input, output, and storage devices. Hardware. Input devices: keyboard, mouse, scanner, web camera, joystick, microphone. Output devices: monitor, printer, speakers. Storage devices: hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive. Input devices: the devices which are used to enter data or instructions into the computer systems are called input devices. Some of the input devices are keyboard. It is the most commonly used input device. It is used to enter data in the form of letters, numbers, or special symbols or characters into the computer. There are about 104 keys on a standard Windows keyboard. Mouse. It is a pointing device. It is used to point at the icons. Select the icons, and for opening the programs on the computer, it is also used to draw pictures. Scanner. It is used to input images, text, pictures, and photographs into the computer. It scans or reads the images and transfers them into the computer. Web camera. It is used to capture photographs and videos. It is also known as webcam. Joystick. It is a pointing device like a mouse which is mostly used for playing games. Microphone. It is used to record voice or sounds into the computer. Output devices. The devices which are used to display the data to the user are called output devices. Some of the output devices are monitor. The monitor looks like a TV screen. It is also known as visual display unit. It displays the result of the task performed by a computer. The output displayed on a monitor is called soft copy. Printer. It is used to print the output of the computer onto paper. The output that is printed on a paper is called hard copy. Bit. All-in-one printers can handle multiple tasks such as printing, photocopying, faxing, and scanning. Speakers. They are used for listening music and sounds stored in a computer. Bracket. What makes the scanner an input device? Storage devices. Components that are used to store data, instructions, and information for future use are called storage devices. Some of the storage devices are hard disk. It is the main storage device which is present inside the CPU box. It can store huge amount of data at a very fast speed. CD. CD stands for compact disc. It is circular in shape. It can store up to 700 MB of data. It can be easily carried from one place to another. It is mostly used to store applications, music, videos, and games. DVD. DVD stands for Digital Video Disc. It looks like a CD but can store more data. It can store up to 4.7 GB of data as compared to 700 MB of data capacity of a CD. Pen drive. It is small and portable. It fits into the USB port of a computer. The most commonly used pen drives to store data have the capacity ranging from 4 GB to 256 GB. Software. There are mainly two types of software: system software and application software. Software, system software, application software. System software, DOS, Microsoft Windows, Unix, Linux. Application software, Notepad, Paint, Word, Windows Media Player. System software. System software controls the overall functionality of the computer. It also enables the machine to accept and run other application programs. Operating system is the main example of system software. DOS, Microsoft Windows, Unix, Linux, etc. are some commonly used operating systems. Application software. Application software is a type of software that performs specific tasks. There are different types of application software that helps us in doing specific types of tasks like painting, playing games, listening music, etc. Chapter review. The physical parts of a computer which you can touch and see are called hardware. Software is that part of a computer which cannot be seen or touched but needed to run the computer. Keyboard is an input device used to enter data in the form of letters, numbers, etc. The devices which are used to display the data to the user are called output devices. System software controls the overall functionality of the computer and helps run the application program.